Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss on our project, a hotel reservation system which we named as WebWeavers Hotel. Here we have given our contact information as one normal AF Montclair NJ, email disclosed here, and we have our phone number here and the directions where we are actually located. And for the ease of user, we have also disclosed a maps, which is a free open source thing. And basically we build this project using PHP and MySQL. This project allows user to check in and check out to a hotel room. Using this functionality, we can input a check-in date. For example, if we take 15th March and the checkout date as something around 18th March. um, Here we have also included options like number of rooms that the user is going to give, and the number of adults who are going to stay in that particular room, and number of children. For now, we have given some validations. Say, for example, we have given number of rooms as 0 and number of adults as 1 and number of children as 0. If we click on check availability, it will throw some validation because we are not selecting any number of the rooms. Say, if example, if we have inputted as 1 and we keep the number of adults as 1 and number of children 0, it is not necessarily needed that number of children should be greater than 1. And if we click on check availability, it takes us to the room availability page. But in actual, there is another validation where we have included, for example, the number of adults is 0, number of children is 1. This prompts us with the value must be greater than or equal to 1. So at least one adult should be present in that particular room. So this is the validations we have put in place to make this work properly. And now if I click on check availability, it takes us to the rooms availability.php page, wherein we show the information of rooms which are available in our hotel. Now Paritala Saiteja will take us through.
Thanks, Aiteja. Here in the room availability page, we can see the different types of rooms that are available at our hotel. We have three types of rooms. They are single occupancy, double occupancy, and luxury suite. And also we can see the columns that uh, before the user have selected from check-in and check-out dates. Those we can see clearly. And also we can see the total number of available rooms of each type of room. And these rooms will be updated based on the reservations made, ensuring accurate information for our guests. And also in the right column we can see the total price for single night. For single occupancy it is $50, and for double occupancy it is $80, and for luxury suite it is $150 per night. And also we can see the images on the right side. So by clicking on the image, we can clearly see how the room type would look like.
And for the all this,
And
we have a DB put in place where we call it as WebWeavers DB, and we have basically have four tables in it. One is admin users table, wherein we'll store the admin username and password, which is hash coded. And we have a reservations table wherein the reservation with confirmation numbers would be stored when the user try to book a room. And we have room availability page to dynamically change the rooms available upon booking. And we have a room type page wherein we have given an uh, room type ID based on the single room, double room, and suite or luxury room occupancies. And we have quite some little description for each of it, and we have prices for each of it. And going back,
And after selecting the desired room type and number of rooms, user can proceed to the room details page. And here in the room details page, we can clearly see that the room type which was selected by the user, and the price per night, a number of rooms, and count of nights. and here the total cost will be displayed. And then clicking on proceed to checkout, we navigate to the reservation confirmation page. Here on the right side, we can see the reservation summary, of which what type of room does the user have selected, and the stay period, and the number of nights, and the total cost will be displayed. And also a unique confirmation number will be generated, which will be used to retrieve the reservation made. And on the left side, we can see that the user can enter their information such as name, address, street name, city, state, phone number, etc., email address. And on clicking on confirm information, a payment link and the reservation information will be sent to their email, uh, which is the future improvement of our web page. And from here, Ranjit will take over.
Yeah, on the top right side bottom, we can see an option called Explore More section. In this section, we currently provides the static information about local attractions, hotel dining services. Here is a page for hotel dining services where we mentioned Raymond's, Montclair. There are some different types of hotel names, and we also offer shopping malls which are near to the our hotel. So we plan to make this section dynamic, offering regularly updated content. And one of the unique features of our system is that ability for the user to retrieve their user information using a confirmation number. So without the need to log in, these features allows user to view their reservation details, and they can modify or cancel it. So in case of modification, the system automatically adjusts the cost and sends an email notification to the user with the updated reservation information. Yeah, from here again Saitaja will take over.
Yeah, basically we are trying to implement the additional features for confirmation emails and payment systems in future. And our administrators, we have an administrator option in our web page here. So upon clicking on administration option, uh, so when we click on admin option, we were taken to the admin login page where we input our username and password and click on login. So we have two options. One is to log out and one is the other one is the manage rooms option. So if we click on manage rooms, here we have a feasibility for the admin people to add rooms. That means like if a user requests for adding a room additionally, so they can do a reservation on behalf of the customer or user, and they can modify the things like if a customer wants to stay an extra day over some period, like we have an edit option to do that as well. Say if we can check out that if he wants to check out yearly, like if he wants to move to the move to 18, he can do that, and we can do save changes here. It will be updated automatically, and we have a delete option as well. That means like the admin people can delete a reservation, and we have an option to do the back to dashboard, and it takes us to the dashboard again where we can do a logout here, and these all things will dynamically gets updated in our database. So here I've changed the room reservation ID 141 to 16 to 18th date of March. So that has been reflected here. And coming back to our page. In conclusion, like the WebWeavers hotel reservation system is built using MVC architecture and leveraging PHP and MySQL technologies, which offers user-friendly and feature-rich platform for booking hotel rooms. Yeah. You're done with our presentation. Thank you.